In order to check the relation between voice and movements of the avatar in your project during creation, but also to be able to view the project in its entirety again at the end, you have two alternatives to replay it. On the one hand, you have the option to play your animations or sequences on the normal screen. All you have to do is press the play button in the middle at the bottom. To stop the playback, press the stop button to the right of it. If you want to fast forward to a certain position, simply hold down the blue bar in the timeline and drag it to that position. You can also use the slider to zoom in and out on the timeline display. This is especially useful if, for example, you want to assign a certain movement to a certain word in a sentence. You can also view your entire project or just a selected sequence on the big screen. Click on the play button in the upper left corner and select the desired setting. If you only want to play a sequence, it is important that you have selected it under hierarchy. To exit the large screen, simply press the stop button.
Do you have further questions about the extensive functions of the VuppetMaster? Check out our other tutorials or drop me a line with your questions and suggestions.